Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology effectively in 1 month. This guide will help you navigate the vast subject matter with a clear, actionable plan. We'll cover strategies to maximize your learning, from understanding core concepts to mastering complex interactions. By following these steps, you can build a strong foundation and achieve your study goals within 30 days. Let's get started on this focused journey. For a 1-month plan, dedicate approximately 3 to 5 days to each of the 11 major body systems, such as cardiovascular or nervous. Break down each system into smaller, manageable topics. Use visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts to understand complex processes. Focus on the why and how of physiological mechanisms, understanding how different systems interact to maintain homeostasis. Active learning is crucial for retention. Incorporate daily active recall sessions using flashcards or self-quizzing. Aim for at least 30 minutes of active recall each day. Solve a significant number of practice questions, perhaps 20 to 30 daily, to solidify your understanding and identify gaps. Regularly review concepts you find difficult, perhaps every 2 to 3 days, to ensure long-term memory. In the final week, shift your focus to comprehensive review. Revisit all major systems, paying special attention to areas where you struggled. Practice full-length exams if available to simulate test conditions. Maintain a consistent study schedule, perhaps 6 to 8 hours daily, and ensure you get adequate rest. A positive mindset and consistent effort are key to successfully mastering physiology in 1 month.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.